Okay, back to it. I want to go back to that clone stamp tool. I didn't do a very good job there. So again, it's a sampling tool. I go ahead and pick the clone stamp. And let's say I still need to sample some skin tone in an area that I like maybe over here by your eye. Hold down the Alt key, sample, and then I go to the spot that I want to clean up, and I just lightly tap it. And you got to be careful. I probably didn't sample a very good spot, but it's very similar to the healing brush tool. And I just clean it up. Let's pretend for a minute that I'm all finished with this one, and I spent a lot of time using the patch tool and the spot healing tool. So let's say that her face is better than it is now, but I just want to show you another way of finishing this off. I'm going to go up to filter and go to blur and then Gaussian blur. And what I'm doing is I'm adding kind of a blur effect, of kind of a filter, if you will, to the overall face. And this is a common technique used by some photographers to kind of soften the image. And a little bit does a lot. If I bring it way over here, I'm blurred. And so I just want to bring it over a little bit just to soften her face a little bit. Okay. And, maybe something like this. And I'll go ahead and click OK. So this one's, let's say this one's done. I'm going to type my name here on the bottom right. Let's go to the second one. This person here has a lot of work to do, and probably because of the large area, it's a good place for the patch. So again, do small areas, just little pieces like I'm doing here. And I just move it a little bit and that blemish goes away. So this one is going to take you a little bit of time to work on. And again, you'll probably be using the patch tool and probably the spot healing tool. And you go back and forth like I'm doing here. Check the size of your brush, and I just click it, get rid of that, and just click it and work your way around here. Okay. So that's about it for some basic photo correction techniques. Thanks for listening.